Super B? Really, a Super B?
The 69 and a half.
Why the half?
Everybody was racing for the horsepower and the quarter-mile times. And they had that half-year model, was important to them back then because of the tweaks they made. That model, 69 and a half Super B, was the fastest quarter-mile production car made back then. Don't try and make a quick turn, though.
You don't need to make no turn.
No.
We talking straight line.
Yeah, man.
We don't even need brakes.
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
We just need horsepower. Wow, you can't find these cars.
My son and I started getting some cars. We were trying to figure out what cool cars we could get. He said, hey, Dad, Barrett Jackson's down at Palm Beach. I saw this really cool orange B. She said, Dad, we should get out here and look at it. This is my son, Chris.
That's your son? So you saw the car on Barrett Jackson?
Yeah, down in Palm Beach.
And obviously, you were the last bidder.
Yeah.
If you don't mind, what'd you pick it up for?
Ooh, I don't even remember. It was,
Oh, I do.
He had to write a check.
A little blurry
so
for me.
he did.
Yeah.
It would be blurry for you.
Yeah.
If it was me,
I was just sitting there
it'd
going
be
like
blurry
this.
too.
Yeah.
It'd be like, I want it.
Our top was $70,000. We paid $72 for it.
That's not really bad.
No. The car's worth every penny of that today.
Yes. So is this a number matching?
So this is numbers matching except for the block.
Except for the block.
Except for the block.
Okay.
So it's all correct. Oh, smells great, doesn't it?
Yes, sir. We ain't worried about fuel economy.
No.
Not with nothing like this.
We have no clue what the fuel economy is.
Wow.
We don't want to know.
See what you got in here. You got a lot of great diversity in here. Back then, this was not necessarily a super desirable car.
And yet they're one of the finest driving cars I have.
Magnus Walker is not your typical Porsche guy. He literally wrote the book on paving his path from fashion designer to customizing one of the world's great collections. His restorations caught the eye of the automotive industry, putting this urban outlaw squarely in the fast lane. I ran into him here at Porsche North America headquarters and clued him in on a can't-miss mountain collection.
I was at the Porsche Experience Center. I heard about this guy, Carl. He's got this Porsche collection, and he's a wine guy in North Georgia mountains, and I like to get out and drive, so I figured, hey, pedal to the metal. We'll see what's in here. I'm mostly a beer guy, but we'll see what Georgia wine's all about. Pretty nice place.
Wolf Mountain Vineyards, family-owned, small winery, producing European-style dry red wine and white wine blends and some incredible sparkling wines.
Hey, Carl. How you doing? Great to meet you. What an awesome place.
Well, it's about time you got here.
Well, it's pretty exciting. I mean, what a spectacular location.
Garage is right ahead.
Well, I'm super excited to be able to check out Carl's garages. Apparently, he's got a couple of them, so you never know what's lurking behind these barn doors. Well, let's start with numero uno. Let's see what you got in here.
Yes, sir.
Bunch of Porsche cars. This looks like the speedster room.
It is.